Hi guys! Today I am going to cook Thai chicken salad, or you call lap gai, spicy one. I got Thai coriander leaf, brown onion, and then spring onion, and then kaffir lime leaf, and coriander leaf as well. And then we show you all the ingredients when I add it up together. Alright, now I'm gonna chop the garlic. So for the garlic, I like to cut it very thin and then chop it small. Alright, lambs is very important. This one I can keep on the side. And the chili. This is one of my favorite, is the bird eye chili. This is the main ingredient. This is called roasted rice. So I cook it on the low heat on the pan, and then you stir often until you smell kind of aroma, a little bit of burnt, but you have to let the rice turn is quite brown. Then you can put into the mixer to grind it smaller like this, and then we just wait for Shasha to barbecue the chicken for me. Alright, while we're waiting for the chicken to get ready, one thing very important is cooking the rice, okay? So I'm gonna show you how we cook the rice in these pots. So I wash the rice, just one time of water is okay, and then rinse them off. No need to be completely dry. The second time is to add water to cook the rice. Actually, for the salad, Thai salad, you can use beef or pork, whatever you want. But for the beef, we would like to cook on the medium rare. It's yum, with the juicy. This is chicken. Make sure you cook chicken 100%. All right. Of course, Thai food come with Thai fish sauce. Make sure it's not too salty. And then yep. Roasted rice. Dip. And dry chili. Chili flake or dry chili. Depending on how much you like. Slice of lambs. I would like to put lots of lambs in there. And chili. Talk about lamb, my saliva drop. There you go. Then we'll mix it up. Taste a little bit. Good. And then we can add all the herbs. I have onion, coriander leaf, spring onion, chopped garlic, and this another type of coriander leaf. Alright, ready? And the kaffir lime leaf, I only chop it small one. Ready? Here we go. Oh, smell good. Oh my god, it smells so good. Then we're ready to eat. So rice is done, chicken salad's done, dinner ready. Thank you for watching. Chicken Thai salad ready for you guys.